sweetheart. So we're gonna be doing a flexi rod set. Here we started off with blown out hair. I had my hair blown out for like a week or so now. And it was wash day. It was gonna be wash day soon, but I wanted to save the hair. So here we are saving the hair. So we take the flexi rod and we put it in the front of the hair and we just wrap the hair around and we keep wrapping it all the way to the ends. You want to fold the flexi rod the opposite way of the hair. This is a little bit sped up version, but here's a slow down version. And then you just keep wrapping the hair, wrap it around, going around town, going around town. But you want to keep adding moves as you go so your hair is more uniform and it saves it for the frizz. And then you're folding the flexi rod the opposite way of the hair. So the ones at the bottom went up, the ones at the top went down. Here we are doing one a little bit closer. And we're just wrapping it around. Look at the flick of the wrist. Hey, look at the flick of the wrist. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. As you go, I like to keep on doing it. Like, if they don't look uniform, then I'll start over. So I cut out the parts where I was starting over because nobody wants to see the failed product. We just want to see the success. So here we are, flicking that wrist, folding them down, and we keep going. I parted my hair in the middle because I wanted the middle part, and I don't know, a middle part just looks better on me for some reason. But we use smaller rollers in the front because I wanted more defined looks for the front of my head. And this is finished. We're taking them out. The curls are looking juicy. Not gonna lie, they felt a little bit hard. I was a little bit scared, but I got oil and I put it all over my hair, and that kind of broke it free from the hardness. And then we picked it out, and those are the luscious curls, and we are done.